I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting everything that proves ownership. First, find backup codes you stored. These are immediate one-time codes that bypass the app. Next, check the device that originally ran Google Authenticator or any phone that still has the app installed. Also prepare your account username, recovery email, and a government ID photo if support asks. Once done, you're ready to use backup codes or request account recovery. This saves time and proves why support should trust you. You now attempt the practical fixes. If you have backup codes, use one during sign-in to access the account and immediately reset two-factor settings. If you still have the old phone, open Google Authenticator and export accounts, then import them on your new device. This preserves all codes. If neither works, proceed to account recovery flows, explain you lost device, and include the prepared identity proof. Make sure to follow prompts precisely to avoid extra delays. You finish by restoring secure access and preventing recurrence. Once signed in, disable old two-factor entries and re-enable Authenticator to generate new keys. This gives you fresh backup codes. Save copies in at least 2 secure places, an encrypted password manager and a physical copy stored safely. If account recovery required support, upload the ID and any requested documents, then watch your account for strange activity. If things go wrong, contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.